Hello children. Today we are going to enhance our fine motor skills with an interesting activity. The things required for the activity is a big lump of clay and a set of 8 straws. It would be good if the color of the straw and the clay are different. Parents, please help your child to do this activity. Are you all ready with the straw and the clay? Let us start. Yes. First, you have to divide the clay into 9 equal parts and make 9 small balls like this. Like this. How many balls you have to make? You have to make 9 balls. Take the straw and cut into half. Cut into half. See, you have to cut the straw into half so that you will get 16 straws like this. Now we are going to make a square shape for the base with the straw by using the clay as connector. Take the straw, connect the balls. We are going to make square. Take the straw, press it like this. Take one more clay. Keep on both the side. Take one straw, connect it. So which shape did you get? Square shape. Take another straw and slowly press it down into the clay ball like this. Like this. Got it? Repeat the step for the other 3 balls and make the straws upright in standing position. Which position? Standing position. See? Like this. Are you all doing? So, these are the walls. Now, keep the balls on the top of each straw one by one. Take the ball, keep on the top, got it? And then repeat the step as we did first. Which we did first? Yes, the square shape. The same step we are going to repeat it. Connect. Take the straw. Connect to the clay. Take another straw. Connect to clay. Take one more straw. Now we have to make the roof. For that, fix the straw one by one in slanting position on the clay bowl. Which position we have to keep? Slanting position on the top of each clay like this. Like this. Like this. Yes? Make it together. Got it? Now, take the last clay. The roof will be ready when you keep a clay ball by sticking all 4 straws together on the top. These are the 4 straws. You have to stick it together with one clay ball. See? Children, look, our straw house is ready. How does it look like? I hope you all like it. This is going to wind up this class. See you children. Bye.